Hello and welcome to another indie horror game. This time we're going to be playing Down Here, and in this we're playing as a maintenance worker who's sent out into the sewers to try to figure out what the hell is going on down here, because there's something fucky happening with the sewers attached to a bunch of people's houses. Well, we might not be alone. This is apparently made by the same developer who made Suffers, by the way. If you remember that one, that was the one where we were playing as a... Hello. The fuck? If anyone ever finds this, my name is Daniel. I've been sent down here to check for the source of unusual noises reported by those whose houses are connected to the sewer system. Anyway, there's something down here. I can sometimes feel it brushing against my legs. My brothers told me it must have been other people's shit. That was 2 days ago. I haven't seen them since, and now I'm starving. We got separated by something I could barely see, but I'm certain now there's something down here in the sewer. It's only a matter of time till it gets me, perhaps like it did with my coworkers. I can't open the gate. There must be valves to raise the water level. Turn them all on, and the door will open. I'm not sure that logic makes sense, but yeah, if you remember, Suffers was the game where we are the sun vanished. And we had to try to survive. And it kind of ended with us, like, approaching a castle. We were trying to go get help. Okay. Getting Vanish vibes here so far. So let's see. I guess that rotated? Okay. So I rotated one of them. Doesn't look like the water level raised at all. Yes, that's just kinda... Well, let's just kinda use like typical maze exploration tactics. Let's just stick to one side and just see what happens. Oh, hello, another note. Alright. I've been able to hear it running past me through the corridors for hours. The fear almost kills me. Twice I thought it was over when I saw it in front of me in a corridor, but then I went out and didn't notice me. We're trapped down here, there's no escape. Well, maybe if you had some tool to help you. I just want to see, what is this? So I for him. Oh, okay. So it actually just tells you where the valves are. I really like that. Yeah, I like that as a system. I think that's... There's something ahead of me? No. Yeah, I actually like that. I think that works really well. Especially in a maze like this, where it's just like... It's all just kind of the same looking. You know, it's not going to be like, oh, take the second left and the third right and whatever. You know, you're going to have to kind of tell the player where stuff is. Yeah, that's actually a really good way of doing it. Developer, nice work. That's the way that you do a hint in a game like this. Because, yeah, like if I should have turned around and checked. But I bet if I had turned around, the valve that I had already gone to probably wouldn't have been there. So, yeah, this way, you know, if I'm going and it's like, ah, shit, I'm missing one of them, and then I could just go ahead and hit the lever, or hit the hint button, and it'll probably tell me. Okay, nothing there. So this is all a dead end. Okay, fair enough. Kinda wish this didn't have the PSX shader on, but that's perfectly fine. I mean, of all the things that I could complain about. Okay, so let me go see something. So, yeah, there's a valve right here. Although I think it... Okay, maybe... Oh, wait, no, it is. Okay, so the water level does rise. Alright, never mind. But yeah, I can at least, like, reliably use this to kinda tell roughly where the valves are, if nothing else. That would be pretty convenient. Yeah, this is interesting. Sewers are another one of those environments that I think just work really well for a horror game. Yeah, because I mean, they're claustrophobic, they're wandery, they're maze-like. It reminds me of a story. I think apparently there was some... a university a friend of mine went to. Apparently, sometime there, they had some, like, idiot go there who, you know, he had played a bunch of games and was like, I want to go explore this shit. And he ended up going down into a sewer system. And he just ended up getting trapped down there for, like, a day and a half until somebody just happened to hear him through a manhole. And that's, like, actually a pretty horrifying idea, but, yeah, that's why you don't fuck around with stuff like this, kids. Never ever go down into the sewers like this. There's a corpse there. Okay. Well, not really so much a corpse, as much as just like a leftover skeleton. Alright, let's see. What? Yeah, because the... yeah, the fact that this is so wandery does kind of mean that it's... Even having the hints on isn't exactly the most useful thing in the world. I also don't like that I'm hearing the noises getting louder. That's bad. That's really bad. Okay. You're closed. You're closed. And then this here. Have I activated this one already? I haven't. Okay. So there must be... Oh, God. Oh, shit. Alright. I just wanted to see how many were left. Okay, fuck. Oh, alright. That's a problem. Oh, boy. Okay. I was not expecting that. Let's go... Fuck, no, let's stick to the left, Bonus. Stick to the left. Probably should make sure I keep my... Jesus Christ, we're like neck deep in sewage. Holy shit. Yeah, this is not good. This is really not good. What the hell is going on? So is there should just be one more, right? Somewhere? Or did I get all 4 of them already? Here, let me see. 1, 2... Oh, wait, hang on. The exit door is marked too. Can I just go? Am I able just to get the fuck out of here now? Shit, this isn't the way. Alright. Well, screw it. Let's just continue doing my path. Eventually, it'll have to lean back into itself, right? Yeah, eventually I'll have to make it there. Because, I mean, that's how these mazes work. As long as you haven't gotten yourself too wedged down into there. Can I... Oh, wait, really? Okay, so that was the end of down here. Okay, that was pretty good. Good job to the developer. That was an interesting little game. I really like the hint system. Not that it was super useful, but I could definitely see that being handy for somebody who, like, didn't really know the tricks of getting around mazes. Yeah, nice work. That was a fun, tense little experience. I feel like there probably could be more to it. If you guys remember Cage Face Chapter 2, for example, you know, that game had some problems, but that had a lot more dynamicism to it. Like, it wasn't just a bunch of tunnels like this, it actually had some verticality to it, it had multiple levels, etc., etc. I like that as a sewer system design. So maybe if this was ever expanded on, maybe have something like that, even if it is kind of a cliche. But still, like, good job to the developer. Nice work. Apparently this guy's been pretty prolific making, like, short little indie games. So I might go ahead and see what else they've done. But that was a fun little one to play. It had a nice balance of tension and simplicity. So if you guys enjoyed the video, if you wouldn't mind, please leave a like or leave a comment. How did you feel about Down Here? Did you guys think that it was pretty decent, or was it kind of a little not okay? Oh, one thing I want to talk to you guys about too. I actually used a new thumbnail format for this one. This one had a new thumbnail style. I'm trying to improve overall view count on the videos because I've been told by a few people that they've kind of missed my releases when they come out. And I've been experimenting around. I came out with this one with help of my artist. So yeah, if you have any input on the thumbnail, if you could do me a favor, leave a comment, let me know if it worked, if it kind of was more eye-catching, or if you think it looks worse. I'd really appreciate the help with that. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, if you could go ahead and just leave me a comment, let me know how you feel about it. I would appreciate that. And if you're new to the channel, if you enjoyed the video, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, I would really appreciate that too. And for everybody else, thank you very much for watching Down Here. I hope you enjoyed, and I look forward to seeing you in another video very soon.